up, guys? I'm back. I've been gone for quite a while. Quick update. I don't live in Cerritos anymore. I moved to Venice, 1 mile away from the beach. Close enough. So what's going on with me? Nothing, pretty much. Just working, and car shows on the weekends. We'll post some videos of those car shows that I went to, so you guys can check them out. See what's I think it was Toyota Fest this weekend. I think that's the only one I recorded. I'm not sure, can't remember. But yeah, for today's project, we're gonna try and mount some of this quick release clips on the car. I have them on the rear already, but I still have issues right here. Right there, still have issues. So we're gonna try to do it to the front. See, issues still going on. So we're gonna try to get more close mounted. So I'll probably put one right here, because the screw is still holding on pretty good. So I'm just gonna put one right here in the middle, so you get rid of some of that gap. All right, and this is what we got. It's called Quick Latch. I ordered these on Amazon for like $32. So that's what I got. And then I went to Harbor Freight and I got myself some little goodies. One of these because I'm tired of losing all my bolts. And one of this, a Unibit, to create a perfect circle to drill those into the fender and bumper. 20 bucks, $6. I would have gone with a good brand, but they'll go from like $40 to like $80 from like DeWalt or like Milwaukee, you know. But no, I went with these instead. 20 bucks. I'm only gonna use them like maybe twice, and it's only to drill plastic, maybe a little metal, not a lot. But we'll see. Let's see how it goes. All right, we'll just start taking off the bumper apart, and I'll show you guys with me. Alright, so the battery died. Here's right done. So I drew the hole straight in here. Right? I drew the hole right through it. And then with the same hole, I left the drill bit in there. I just put this back on here. Shit, you can't see anymore. I got the drill bit. Drill bit, I got it here and I smacked it. So you could leave a little dot inside. Alright, ready to lift off. So make the hole right there, and then pass it right through, and I make my marking on the inside. And then I got a little tiny little drill bit so I could see the puncture on the other side. And then we're gonna get the Unibit, which is already on the drill. Here we go. And we're gonna try to make the hole as big as possible to fit the back of this size. Cool. So I'm gonna try to maybe we'll go try and error. Remember, I only done this maybe twice, so I am not a pro at this either. Let's try this. Alright, turning home. Here we go. Angle. And we get that. Alright. And then back locking washer, right from behind. washer. Put it inside. Alright, let's try this. There you go. That's good. Alright, now we're gonna put the bumper back on and we're gonna try to align it to the other end pin right here, the little nipple. I'm gonna slide it in, tie the knots with a washer and a bolt. Alright. Alright, quick update. So, after messing around for I don't know how many minutes, conclusion, I got rid of the bracket. Fitment's way better, as you can tell. Doesn't pop out. All I gotta do is pop the screw back in on the back of the side, hold it down, bada bing bada boom, done. This side's done, now I gotta do the other side. It looks pretty good to me. And the way you take it off, the way you take this thing off is you just, let me see if I can get a better angle for you guys. Alright, the way you take it off is you go, push, comes off. This was a little tough because it doesn't align very well, but it does the job for this side. The next one I'm gonna try to do it better because you already know the first time, so that you just, there you go, pop it. There you go, guys. There you have it. Not gonna lie, I fucked up this one just a little bit. Shit, I don't know if you could tell. There you go, I messed up just a little bit. I feel bad. I feel like I want to buy a new bumper now because of it. Alright, so I fucked that side up. Don't judge me. Doing it on my own. But on the other side, this side came out pretty good. You can tell it came out better than the other side. And they hold pretty stronger. It's pretty firm. Like it. Alright. Well, sorry, there you go. That's it for this video. So I hope you guys liked all the footage I'm about to show you guys right now for that car show I went to with
days die out too hard. We were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island.